If you are looking or decorating ideas for your general living / common space, I would suggest number one, start with decluttering. Items that there's just too much of it, just declutter. Remove some of those items. Clean up the extension cords and cords in general. You preferably don't want them to be visible at all. Consolidate or just remove some of those items. Change the shade on the lamp on the new one. Maybe get a new rug. If you get an old sofa and that's a big piece of furniture in your space, maybe change the upholstery or do a throw, or maybe add some pillows. Also, in the common areas, easy task to perform is an accent wall. So pick the color and paint one wall different color. Perhaps get some prints online, frame them or get them already framed, and DIY, hang them on the wall yourself. Those are little tips and tricks that will dramatically change the feel of your space. Good luck with your build.